Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill in your Upwork tax information. This is an essential step for getting paid on the platform, as Upwork needs your tax details to process payments correctly and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Upwork.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelance work. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is your control center for managing your personal information, payment methods, and tax details. Once you're in the Account Settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories for different account configurations. Click on Withdrawals. This section handles everything related to how you receive your earnings from Upwork, including your tax information. Next, click on Tax Information. This is where you'll provide all the necessary details that Upwork requires for tax reporting purposes. The platform needs this information to generate the appropriate tax forms at the end of the year. The first thing you'll need to do is select your country from the drop-down menu. This helps Upwork determine which tax forms and requirements apply to you based on your location. After selecting your country, you'll see fields appear for your address details. Enter your address line 1 in the provided field. This should be your current residential or business address. Then move on to enter your city and postal code in their respective fields. Make sure all this information is accurate, as it will appear on your tax documents. Once you've filled in your address details, click Save. This stores your location information and takes you forward in the process. Give it a moment to process and save your changes before moving to the next section. Now comes an important decision point. You'll need to select whether you are a non-US person or a US person. This classification determines which tax forms you'll need to complete and how Upwork will handle your tax reporting. Choose the option that accurately reflects your tax status. After making your selection, enter the legal name of the taxpayer. This should match exactly what appears on your official tax documents and identification. Using your legal name ensures that tax forms are issued correctly and there are no discrepancies with tax authorities. Next, select your federal tax classification from the drop-down menu. The options here might include individual, sole proprietor, corporation, or partnership, depending on how you operate your freelance business. Choose the classification that best describes your business structure. Then enter your date of birth in the format requested. This is another verification detail that helps ensure your tax information matches official records. Following that, select your country of citizenship by clicking the drop-down menu and choosing the appropriate option. Finally, click Save to store all your tax information. Upwork will process and verify these details, and you should receive confirmation that your tax information has been successfully updated. This completion means you're now properly set up to receive payments with the correct tax documentation. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.